Maddie. So today we are going to be, I am going to be doing, I'm going to show you my pants, some are leggings and some of the stuff. So let's get into it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notifications, and give this video a huge thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them inside the comments, and let's get started. Alright. So the first leggings are these cute black ones. They're very cute. They're black, but they do have a skirt attached to them. So let me show you. Sorry if my foot's on your way. So these are them. They're very cute. Let me show you them one more time. These are them. And then I have these very cute little shorts for the summer, and they're white. They do have a belt and a zipper. And just to let you know, I am not selling these because not selling anything for my collection. Sorry about that. Okay. So, and now I'm going to show you they're kind of like the same, but they are white jeans. Look like that. Very cute. And then I'm going to show you my pink leggings. I love these. Seriously, I love these pink leggings. They look like this. These are my favorite. And these very cute skirt. Is it a skirt? Let's check. Yes, it is a very cute short skirt. I do have this, I think I do have it inside a short. So let me check. I'm pretty sure. Okay, so here are some cute little shorts for the summer. And I'm going to get you the cutest ones. And of course, I'm going to show you the brand, which I don't know which is the cutest. I have a lot of cute ones. But this video is kind of short because I do have dance. So these are some so cute shorts. The back, very cute. Oh, let me see the tags. Okay, the tag's not on. I thought it would be. And some of these are new. I'm going to take a big pile of them and show them to you. There we go. So this second one's, they're kind of like leggings. They are like magenta color, and they do have a zipper right here. Let me show you close up. They do have a little zipper, but it's just fake on both sides. Very, very cute. The next are these very cute pink shorts for the summer, and it still has this and this is from Bella Bless. Now I really know how to read. So, and here's some other cute little pink shorts. They're from Cat and Jack. Cat and Jack. They're size 6X. Alright. And these are very pretty. I forgot. and they're from Janie and Jack. These cute ones. They have little cute pearls on the bottom on both sides. And here are some blue leggings that I love. And I don't know where I got these blue leggings from. I don't know if they're on the inside out. I don't think so. And here's some other spot leggings. They're from the same things. I think they're from Target. I'm pretty sure. These. Then two more to go. These very cute shorts. I definitely wear them inside the summer. Show you. And last but not least are these cute little white shorts. Alright, let me see the brand. Can't read that, but they're very cute. So that is it, what I am going to show you for today. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I just want to tell you again, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe, turn on notification. Bye guys!